Hello, I am Theo, the creator of Mynt, the AI first document generator. And we've got a big new release today. We've completely rebuilt the UI from scratch. We've added a bunch of new features, and this is really exciting for me because it's the first of many new improvements which should be landing over the next few weeks and months. I'm actively developing on this at the moment, and that's really cool because I love this product. So I'm going to show you how the new UI works. The new UI works. Okay. Mynt is all about generating documents based on sources. So I'm going to show you an example today of generating an article based on some research papers. So if I go in here, we can see that we've got a few sources in there already. I'm going to add one more to show you how that works. You can add files, websites, YouTube videos, text, loads of different types of sources you can add, and we're adding new types all the time. So these are my sources, my reference material, my knowledge, and I'm going to take those sources and generate something from them. But I don't know what I'm going to generate, so I'm going to go to Mynt Chat to help me work out what I'm going to make. So I've written into Mynt Chat, I want to write an article. I want it to be fun, but I'm not sure what it should be about, other than it should be about these sources. So it's suggested an article I could write. This is great. I'm going to take the opening hook and the title, and I'm going to go ahead and generate a document. So this is a new document screen. In here, you put as much information as possible about the document you want to create. It could be an essay, it could be a legal document, it could be some research, anything you want to do, you put it in here and you explain, and then the AI is going to have this context for the whole time it creates the document. Right, so I'm going to say, I am writing a fun. Okay, I've put in information about the document I want to create, and now I've got 4 different jumping off points. I can generate a document outline. I can start with a conversation where I might brainstorm different ideas before I get started, or I can click I'm feeling lucky, which is going to generate an entire full draft of the document for me, or I can start with an empty document. Today, I'm going to start by generating an outline. Mynt has looked at my sources, it's looked at the article I want to create, and it's generated an outline for my document. And now we get into the most important part of Mynt, which is creating edits with the AI, which you review in real time. So with Mynt, we can now start generating the document text itself simply by saying, write me the introduction. This is the edit review screen. We can see on the left-hand side the code changes in the markdown that the AI has created, and on the right-hand the resulting document. This is the biggest power of Mynt, is that we get to review all of the changes made by the AI in this easy-to-use screen. We can jump in here and change things we don't agree with. We can edit the document on the right-hand side as well if you're not comfortable editing Markdown, and we can accept the changes one by one until the entire set of changes has been reviewed, and then we move on to make the next change and the next change and the next change, and that's how it works. In Mynt, the AI is kind of a first-class citizen in a document. It can edit any part of the document that you can edit. It can create all the formatting you can create. And so it's a really powerful, really quick way to go from 0 to a complete finished draft, all using AI. And also you get to review every change made in a lot of detail. So that's everything about how to use Mynt. And in terms of paying for it, Mynt can be used completely free. So you get 10 free daily messages. There's also a pro account where you get 200 free monthly messages. But if you have an OpenRouter account and you would like to connect OpenRouter and use your own AI, then you can do that. Come into the account screen and click connect and set your limit, and that's it. You can use all the features of Mynt, everything Mynt can do completely for free, as long as you're just paying for your own AI usage. So yeah, get stuck in. Please use it. Please enjoy the tool. Let me know what you think. I would love to add features that you guys want. So yeah, I'm here. I'm available to talk to. And yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoy the tool. Cheers.